Holy shit!
Oh my god, our feeders!
Oh, the feeders, no! I feel like my iPhone is actually fixing something. It's like blinding. Let's go do as Mom and Grandpa would do and stand in the eye of the storm. I can't see. I can't see Sonic. It's right freaking there and I can't see it. Okay, I can see it a little bit now. Jesus, the trees. Just branches are flying off. Oh my gosh.
If the lemon survives this, it will survive anything.
Oh yeah, the lemon's actually doing all right. It's not being pushed around. I think the wind is a little higher up, but it's still, I mean, it's still getting hit, but the big wind is above us. Okay, a little bit. That tree is really leaning. The lemon isn't as much. I think it's because it's close to the house. Okay, now it's leaning. Lemon, you can survive. You can survive, Lemon. Okay, I have visual on Sonic. Oh God, let me see the front. Hi, Chilly Welly. That glass door is gonna be wet. Yep. Oh, it's not too bad. Don't let Sheldon. Sheldon, come here. Sheldon, come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why would you do this? He's like, we're going. We're going on an adventure. Walls of water. I missed. What? Stance. I think we should go out there and dance in it.
You only live once.
You only live once. You only live once.
This is living. Okay. I am dead now.
No, I'm gonna step out. That's when the branch is gonna fly off and hit me. Okay. It blew over the chair. I haven't realized that. I wasn't even looking at it. I am now soaking wet. I am sop.
You're soft.
I am sop. Oh my gosh.
Maximum soft.
Maximum soppy. Oh, front tree is holding up. Maybe. Jesus. So much windy. There's already a river in the streets. The street is already a river. Backing up a little bit. Oh my God.
Horrifying.
What happened, man?
Let's go inside.
I'm gonna go back in because it kind of dies down and then it picks up like to a scary degree.
We're just gonna close all that shit and hope.
You would think we're like there's a hurricane.
Hurricane weather.
Hurricane. Okay, I gotta not slip because my feet are super wet. Hold on, Lemon, you got this. This builds resilience, Lemon. You can do it. I just got slapped with a leaf. My goodness. It's so windy.